Introduction. Regex is a versatile tool in JavaScript for dealing with strings. It can be used to find, replace, and manipulate text flexibly. Regex can be complex and intimidating. This tutorial aims to simplify it. Understanding regex in JavaScript. Regex is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. The pattern can be used with string methods to find and replace occurrences of a specific string. Regex in JavaScript is created using a regex literal, regex, or the regexp constructor, new regexp regex. Using regex in JavaScript, defined regex patterns can be used with several string methods like match, replace, search, and split. Special characters in regex. Dot matches any single character except for newline characters. Asterisk matches 0 or more occurrences of the character before it. Plus sign plus matches 1 or more occurrences of the character before it. Question mark makes the character before it optional. Backslash used to escape special characters. Flags in regex. Flags are used to change the search pattern. Global G searches for all matches, not just the first one. Case insensitive I makes the search case insensitive. Multiline M makes the search span across multiple lines. Tips and common pitfalls. Always double check your regex pattern. Small mistakes can lead to surprising results. Be careful with greedy quantifiers like and plus. They will always try to match as much as possible, which might not be what you want. Remember that does not match newline characters. If you need to match any character including newlines, use guess instead. When using the regex constructor, remember to double escape special characters. This is because the string itself also uses backslashes for escaping. Conclusion. Regex is a powerful tool in JavaScript for working with strings. It can be complex, but with practice, you can handle intricate string manipulation tasks. Always test your regex patterns thoroughly to avoid unexpected behavior.